Welcome everyone to another video. Thank you for tuning in. This is going to be a Hot Wheels mystery models. We got 3 of them here for today. I kind of pre-opened them right now before I just push the record button so it can be easier to just slide out and see what we got. Hopefully I got some good ones. There's a way to figure it out, but to figure out which ones you got. But so I just saw a little bit of green. There goes. I don't know the names yet, but we'll see right now. Check this out. This one's pretty cool for Noah. I like it.
No.
You don't know? Mira ese. Oh, qué bonito. Oh. Tigre. Nice. Let's go with the next one. And then slide it out. Here we go. Oh, look at this one. Very cool. I like this. Very cool model. Mira el otro, pa. That one is number 12. 74 Brazilian Dodge Charger. Very cool. And we'll check out the stickers in a bit, because they come with stickers. Let's check out the last one. Come on. What do we got? Red. Oh, hell yeah. A Mustang. Awesome Mustang. By far my favorite, I think. I don't know. Oh, wow. That's cool. That last one is Ford Mustang Drift, number 11. So we got number 2, number 11, and number 12. That's what we got from the mystery models. Awesome. Mira, allá adentro, saca lo que está adentro. Tiene una calcomanía, sácalo adentro. Oh, wow, ¿qué es? ¿Un carrito? Sácalo, el otro. Oh, wow. Último. You got stickers, buddy. There are the mystery models. Brazilian Dodge Charger. Tigre, I think it was. Mustang. Drift. Ford Mustang. Very cool. Thank you for tuning in. Bye, Noah.